Oh, hello there. I am Imoogi Nevermore. So I went to Fry's, which is my local Kroger's, you would say, just because, grocery shopping and stuff. And I happened to see this. It's a make your own boba. It's taro flavored. I don't know what that is. I know it's going to be purple. Never had boba before, so this is going to be a fun experiment for me, honestly. So I'm looking forward to it. It should be done quickly, but you guys get to watch the process and have me, review it. So we'll be right back.
Hello, random cat. Alright, so it says to do about 5 ounces of hot water. Then we add in the pearls and microwave it for 45 seconds. And then add 10 ounces of ice cubes. That's going to be fun. We have this opened. Let's open this sucker. So there's the boba. The little bits of boba. Feels a little squish, a little tough. Here's the milk, tea powder. Interesting. Oh, there we go. Here are the straws. I need one. Let's go over to our lovely Keurig and put it on the smallest one. I believe that's our 5. I told it to. Now it's going. So while that's being done, come over here with our milk tea. Pour the hot water in. Ooh, it's nice and purple. I'm gonna stir it. It smells very purple.
And here's the boba pearls.
Lovely balls in. I don't know if the recording stopped or what, but I had to hopefully uninstall apps for my phone. If you like this video so far, be sure to give it a look. There goes my whole balls, all clumped up together. Sorry, now I'm at a different spot of recording. Phone keeps dying. So I have now officially microwaved our boba tea. And now we're going to pour some ice in our lovely cup. Right, now we take this and we pour. Oh no. Well, we can easily clean up this mess. Alright, so overall looks kind of interesting. I've, again, never had boba before, so this is going to be a interesting, fun thing to have. So, now, all we have to do is clean up the messes, and film myself tasting it.
Hi, I'm officially back at my computer, obviously. And here's our drink, officially. Here's the tea. Well, cheers to trying it, I guess. Ooh. Ooh. That's I think something went wrong in the process. I think because of the boba? Like the way it was all merged together, maybe? Like all the flavor just... I don't know. I could be wrong. But I guess we'll try some of the balls, if we can. If I could get any. Little rubbery, little bland. I don't think this is what boba should taste like, honestly. Tastes a little... like I need to add sugar to this. It tastes so bland. And then some weird off flavor, in my opinion. But I'll see about adding sugar real quick. Alright, I am back again. I added a little sugar to this. I know. Probably shouldn't be messing with it, but adding sugar and of course testing it. tasted a little bit better over time. So I guess I'm more of a sweet person. No joke intended. Anyway, the sweetness did help a little bit. It made it better for me. Actually brought out more of the flavoring, oddly enough. Maybe next time what I should do, if I have like just plain, I guess, coffee creamer, for example, that would help too. Just treat it like coffee, or because it's what? It's supposed to be tea, so sugar, yes. If I ever go to an actual restaurant and actually, or not just a restaurant, an actual place that serves boba, maybe then I could just reference the difference. Until then, not bad. Like, straight up from my perspective. If I were to buy this again, maybe on once in a blue moon. Because it's okay, it could be better, in my opinion. Just needs to be sweeter for me. But yeah, I found this at Fry's. If I ever find a link or anything for you guys to also get it yourselves, to try it yourselves and give your feedback on it, go for it. And it sucks that it only comes in a 3-pack, but you get what you pay for, which, yeah, by that point, that's probably why I'll want get it once in a while, because it was $7 at Fry's. And until then, I'll see you, lovely people, in the next video. Bye!